That's awesome.
Happy.
128th Street, wings and tacos.
Tacos was my thing. I love tacos, and he was always a wingman. And we didn't kind of come to the middle ground. We just decided to do both.
Perfect combo, literally like the perfect combo.
Everybody has to eat. We kind of both worked our way up the chain of fast food and management and just opening up restaurants. So we kind of know what we're doing. We know how to get food out fast. So why not? Why not do it yourself?
We like the concept of choosing a side. We knew that tacos and wings weren't like the typical thing that people kind of chose. I'm the taco person, he's the wing guy. So it's like, hey, are you a taco person or are you a wing person? Or both.
Yes, Tony was our person to help us. Yeah, she was good. For every time we came down here with communication.
I wish she was here today.
Yeah, I wish she was here today. Yeah, she really took care of us. The 128th Street, our birthdays are both on January 28th. So 128, that's where that comes from.